aussi remercier papa. Ce n'est pas mon témoignage. C'est pour ma maman.
Last time I brought a follower here to be blessed.
La fois passée, je suis venu ici avec l'eau bénie.
And I took the water, the holy water to her. And that's the man to me.
J'ai amené l'eau bénie pour ma maman.
She's a businesswoman in Koboko. Business or business good lady.
Je suis commerçante à Koboko.
So when I gave her the water, she took the water, but she did not sprinkle at her business place.
So actually,
Lorsque je lui ai donné l'eau bénie, elle n'a pas arrosé là où elle vend des choses.
But when she took the water, it got me when I come back already.
Lorsqu'elle a pris l'eau bénie, elle a trouvé que je suis rentré ici.
But now, after some days, she called me and told me,
Après quelques jours, elle m'a téléphoné.
she told me, hey my daughter, the water you brought for me has really helped me.
Elle m'a dit, ma fille, l'eau que tu m'as amenée m'a aidé.
And she told me, last time, since she started selling, she cannot even count money. But that day she counted money.
Ma mère m'a dit, auparavant, elle ne touchait pas l'argent. Mais après avoir arrosé l'eau, maintenant elle voit l'argent, aussi elle touche l'argent.
And even she's feeling good.
Aussi, elle se sent bien.
And my second testimony is for my brother.
Mon deuxième témoignage, c'est à propos de mon frère.
My brother's been working, but at his workplace they hate him, they don't like him. Even his salary they don't pay.
Mon frère travaillait. Les gens avec qui il travaille ne l'aiment pas. Aussi, on ne les payait pas.
When I started coming here, I have put all his problems into prayer.
Quand j'ai commencé à fréquenter cette place, j'ai mis ses affaires à la prière.
So when my brother had all those questions, he came back home. He almost spent like 3 months home where those people did not call. So when in my prayer, I prayed and let those people call him back to his workplace.
Après cela, mon frère était rentré à la maison pendant 3 mois. Il a quitté le travail, mais toujours se fréquenté ici pour faire la demande pour qu'il puisse rentrer au travail.
There's a time he called me, it has taken now like 3 weeks, that they have called him back to his work.
Saa zimali hapa mani simu alipita wiki nabo tini kompe hivyo zima tira le ogogo.
Ça fait déjà 3 semaines, j'ai reçu un coup de téléphone chez lui. Il a dit qu'il était appelé pour travailler.
So when they called him, they started asking him, why are you staying home? He said he has been sick, so he cannot risk his life with that work.
So kane ironga zuko rimanya kanga kizini matio iyo ni muzo zio kurega dionia. So ngati yokini azinde matio imaitri maio lizeyario.
Lorsqu'il était appelé, on a demandé pourquoi il a refusé de travailler. Il a dit qu'il y avait des risques là où il travaille.
They told him maybe we are going to send you back home, but from nowhere they told him to remain. They are not sending him back home.
Ngaki yoni iti mwima kitefule kuote ingazu yomalia ngaki yoni itokini matipio kuoku masite zinde matie makadi mazi.
À cause de ça, son patron voulait les renvoyer à la maison, mais soudainement, on a changé la décision de les laisser travailler.
So I thank God so much for everything. Even my life has changed. I remember one day I was opening a door. The door hit my hand and it looked like the wound is big.
After there was 4 woro, Yehova Mungu atani. After was 4 bene to see him. Sasa mahali yaka kachinzi, kachinga majiba, ikama bele ane, erinyambu.
Alors, je vais remercier Dieu pour tout ce qu'il a fait, mais aussi dans ma part, lorsque je voudrais ouvrir la porte, j'étais heurté par la porte et il y avait les plaies qui étaient très grandes. Maintenant, c'est déjà guéri.
So when I saw the wound, I saw my husband. He said, hey, the wound is big like this.
Aya, anga tima dila nera, anga di nema goni ngati yokaka. Ni tuya pele ya mbu ilea.
Avant cela, j'ai montré la plaie pour mon mari. Il a dit que la plaie est grande.
So I went and I sat down. I started praying with my hands like this. I said, God, this hands I'm using to do so many works at my workplace, even my own work. So how am I going to do this work? From nowhere, I just felt like ice entering my hands. From there, even my hands, the wound was just, you saw this, it is just this side. From nowhere, the hand just remained like this. I feel like, wow, God, I thank you. It is me who is not faithful to you.
Angadi, zimu kutianga yokunguni, mwedi mbarari simani ya woro ye. Teri mimi chozo matizo, teri geriko, yor maria, geriko tiri maria, angadi suma juri, koweli nele.
Je me suis agenouillé, j'ai demandé à Dieu, avec ma mère, je travaille pour gagner la vie. Maintenant, je suis très malade, qu'est-ce que je dois faire? Au moment où j'ai prié, j'ai vu la plaie était en train de se guérir. Maintenant, c'est guéri.
So I thank Papa so much. He has taught us how to pray. Even me, myself, I used not to pray. When something happens like this, I feel like, you will find from nowhere this one will not be cured. You will be there even not doing anything. The hand will be swelling. So from nowhere, I started work. I thank Papa so much, and I thank my God so much for doing everything for my life.
Au moment spécial, je vais remercier Papa parce parce qu'elle m'a appris comment prier. Lorsque j'ai prié, maintenant je vois ma main peut travailler.
May God reward Papa more and more and more. For me, I have nothing to give him. It is only the prayer I will pray for him. At home, I'll pray. Even here, when I'm here, I will pray. Because I remember one day when Papa said, "You pray for me." I prayed. I found from nowhere my hands touched my voice. My first prayer. The second prayer we prayed, I found from nowhere my hands touched this altar down there. So I thank God. Let him reward Papa more and more because he has done a great thing in our life.
After our fall to Mugumi, after our fall, sina matini, maapinadi apasima ni chofe, yerenero kani Mungu mejini opo tika our fall mani chofe yerenero.
Je n'ai rien à donner pour papa. Je veux remercier Dieu et pour papa aussi. Ce que je demande,